Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most important steps you can take for serious email success: authenticating your domain with Mailchimp. Whether you're building a newsletter, nurturing leads, or just want your emails to look more professional and avoid spam folders, this simple process will give your messages the trust and deliverability they deserve. By the end of this video, not only will you have your domain authenticated, but you'll also understand what's happening behind the scenes, so you're in total control. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Head on over to Mailchimp and look for your profile avatar in the bottom left corner. Yup, that little circle with your initials or profile pic. Click on that, then select Account and Billing, and under there find Settings and finally Domains. The navigation may seem like a few steps, but it's worth it. This is where all the magic of domain management happens. Now that you're in the Domains section, you'll see the option to add and verify domain. Go ahead and click that. You'll be prompted to enter the email address you want to send from. Make sure it's got your domain, like you@yourdomain.com, and isn't just a free email like Gmail or Yahoo. This step is crucial because it makes sure you actually own the address you plan to use for your campaigns. Once you add the email, Mailchimp will send you a quick verification. So pop over to your inbox, look out for that email. It may take a moment to arrive, and sometimes these land in your promotions or spam tab by mistake, so check there if you don't see it right away. Click the confirmation link when you find it and you're done with verification. Next, back in Mailchimp, after you've verified your email, you'll be shown an option to authenticate your domain. This is where things get interesting. Mailchimp will generate special DNS records for you. These usually come as a CNAME record for DKIM, that stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, and sometimes you'll get a TXT record for SPF, Sender Policy Framework. Think of these like digital ID cards. They tell email providers, hey, these messages are really from you and you've got permission to send them. If you use other services, you may already have an SPF record. No worries, just double check that you're not duplicating anything. To enter these records, you need to access your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain provider. This is wherever you purchased your web address, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or maybe Google Domains. Find the section called DNS Management or DNS Records. This is basically the control panel for all things related to your domain's behind-the-scenes setup. Don't be intimidated. If you've never been here before, it's just a list of records, each with a type, name, and value. Now the important part: copy those records from Mailchimp exactly as they appear and add them into your DNS management page. You want to make sure all the details match perfectly. CNAME records go in for DKIM and TXT records cover SPF if needed. Imagine putting the exact address in your GPS. One typo and you could end up somewhere totally different, so take your time here and double check as you go. Once those records are in, all that's left is to wait. DNS changes don't happen instantly. Sometimes you'll see results in a few minutes, but it can take up to 24 or even 48 hours. This is totally normal. The internet just needs a little time to catch up to your changes. While you wait, you can go back to the Mailchimp domains page and click Authenticate to see if it's ready. If not, no worries, just check back a bit later. When everything is set, you'll see a little green checkmark and authenticated right next to your domain. That's it, you can now send emails with confidence, knowing you're much more likely to land in inboxes, not spam folders. That's how you authenticate your domain in Mailchimp with as little stress as possible. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next one.